السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا بعده. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: المسلم من سلم المسلمون من لسانه ويده. All praises are due to Almighty Allah, who is the creator and sustainer of the universes. Salutation be upon the beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Honorable Chairman Headmaster Hafiz Maulana Shafat Hussain Afendi, Sir Abu Huraira and Mahdi Hassan, my dear brother, sister and guardians, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fatima Akhtar. I am a student of class 4. The name of my madrasa Southul Quran is Madrasa. My from Lalmunayat district, but I live in Gadipur. I want to be a Da'i of Islam in my future. My father name is Rubel. He is a diver. My mother name is Jasmine. She is a housewife. That's all about me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Still, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.